Good day everyone. Let's try to answer some math problem posted on Facebook. And special credits to Master PREMPEH for sharing this wonderful question. And let's start. Here's the question. We have x raised to x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 1. And the question is, what are the possible values for x? Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video, and if you're ready, here's the solution. And I hope you pause this video. Now let's see if you got the correct answer. Now let's answer this question together. To answer this question, we need to have some cases. So let's start for case number 1. For case number 1, since it is equal to 1, therefore the exponent of the base must be equal to 0. Therefore, we have x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Factor out x squared minus 5x plus 6 into x minus 2 times x minus 3, and don't forget that it is equal to 0. And since it is equal to 0, it follows that at least one of them must be equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that x minus 2 equal to 0, or x minus 3 must be equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that x equals 2 or x equals 3. Therefore, we have now two possible solutions. We have x equals 2 and x equals 3. Now, how about in case number 2? Now, case number 2 is the base must be equal to 1. So, 1 raised to any number is simply equal to 1. Therefore, we can say that x equals 1, and that's very simple. We have the third solution. We have x equals 1. Now, to check, if we let x equals 1, our exponent becomes 1 squared minus 5 times 1 plus 6, or simply equals 2. Therefore, we have 1 raised to 2, and definitely 1 raised to 2 is equal to 1. Now, how about the last case, or the case number 3? We need to consider that if the base is negative 1 and it raised to an even exponent, the answer is 1. Therefore, we need to check that if x equals to negative 1, is the exponent is even. So let's see. We have x squared minus 5x plus 6. Let's substitute x be equal to negative 1. If we do that, we get negative 1 squared, 5 times negative 1 plus 6. Now simplify and we get the answer of 12. Now since 12 is an even number, therefore x equals negative 1 is also part of our solution. Now let's summarize. In case 1, we get x equals 2 and x equals 3. On the second case, we get x equals 1. And on the third case, we get x equals negative 1. Therefore, our answer to this question is x equals negative 1, 1, 2, or 3. And that's our answer. And we're done.